Hey y'all, I wanted to show you this ZOSI wireless window camera. Pretty excited about it. It comes with a user manual and it has QR codes that will show you exactly how to set it up. It's going to go on your window. This is going to get put right here. This is going to get stuck to that, and then this goes on your window so the camera can actually stick to the window and will record through the window. So you're going to plug it in, and then it's going to be plugged in down below. And so they give you these clips to clip on the wall to hold on to that wire for you. But it's really cool. It takes a really cool picture. All right, so this is the camera, and I'm just holding it in my hand right now, but I'm going to put it in this window real quick so you can see a pretty clear picture when I hold it still. And it was an easy setup. All you do is follow the instructions on the QR code. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to use this. I don't know if I'm going to use it here in my house or if I'm going to use it in my camper to keep an eye on my dogs whenever I go to dinner with friends, or if I'm hanging out at another campsite or something like that. So I'm going to check it out in several different places, and it might be that I have to purchase several of them. A couple of other cool things about this is it does have a spot for an SD card. The SD card is not included, but you can put an SD card in here, and you can set it up to record when it senses a human or animal or a car. So that's really cool. They do offer a cloud storage for a fee if you want a subscription, and set it up as your home security. So I like that too. I really like it. It's a good user interface, and I think you'll like it too. Thanks for watching.